didn't learn editing the way you think. I didn't start with a course or a plan. Just opened CapCut and stared at the screen. And something about it felt simple. Too simple. So I ignored it, because how can something that easy actually make good videos? You've probably done this too. You open an editor, clip sitting there, timeline empty, and you hesitate. Where do you even start? What do you click first? What if you mess it up? So you wait. Nothing happens. That's exactly where it started. A blank timeline. No effects, no music, just one clip. I dragged it in, snapped into place. No confusion, no setup, just there. So I played it, and it felt long, too long, like something was off, but I didn't know what. So I hovered over it, saw a tiny tool, clicked, cut, the clip split in half, just like that. And suddenly, I realized something. You don't need to know everything. You just need to do the next small thing. I kept going. Cut again, then again, removing the awkward pauses, the boring parts, the moments that felt unnecessary. And slowly, the video started breathing. Not perfect, but alive. Then I noticed something else. The silence. It felt empty. So I added music, just dragged it under the clip, pressed play, and everything changed. Same footage, same cuts. But now, it had emotion. It had rhythm. It felt like something you'd actually watch. And that's when it got interesting. I saw a button, text, clicked it, typed a few words. They appeared on screen, plain, boring. So I changed the style, font, size, position, moved it slightly, played it again. And suddenly, it looked like something you'd seen before, something familiar, like the videos you scroll past every day. But now, you made it. I didn't stop. Added transitions. Simple ones. Nothing crazy. Just enough to connect moments. And for the first time, the video didn't feel like clips. It felt like a story. Then came captions. One click. Auto. Words started appearing, matching every sentence, every pause, every breath. And I just watched. Something strange happens when you see your own words on screen. It feels more real. It's more intentional. Like you actually meant to say it that way. But here's where it changes, because now you think you understand it. Cut, text, music, done, right? That's what I thought too, so I exported it. Watched it back and something felt off. Not bad, just missing something. And I couldn't explain it. So I went back. This time, slower. Watching every second. And I noticed it. Tiny pauses that felt too long. Cuts that felt slightly late. Text that stayed just a bit too much. Nothing obvious, but enough to break the flow. So I fixed them. One by one, shortened a clip. Moved a cut. Adjusted timing. Milliseconds, not seconds. Milliseconds. And then I played it again. This time I didn't think about editing. I just watched. That's when it hits you. Not loudly, not dramatically, just quietly. In the background. The realization that it was never about learning the whole software. Not really, because everything you needed was already there. Waiting. The timeline wasn't empty anymore. It was moving. It's flowing. Telling something. And you didn't even notice when it stopped feeling confusing. You closed the project. Lean back, screen still glowing in the dark. That same clip you started with, now something completely different. Not because of tools, not because of features, but because you finally touched it, moved it, changed it, decided something, even if it was small. And the strange part, the next time you open it, that empty timeline doesn't feel intimidating anymore. It feels like something you already know how to begin.